Dear students, I am faculty from Electrical Department, KK Polytechnic Nasik. We have two divisions, first division and second division, and we are running electrical AICT MSBT approved courses so that all students get abundance of knowledge for electrical engineering. So let us review how we are performing. Here, please. This is our KK Polytechnic Nasik affiliated MSBT Mumbai approved by AICT New Delhi, Government of Maharashtra and Director of Technical Education Maharashtra, accredited by NBA for 3 years for 4 branches, DT Institute code 5226. So, being one of the oldest institute in Nasik region, established in 1983, KK Polytechnic Nasik, widely known for the quality in technical education. It is only institute get best polytechnic in Maharashtra award for best academic performance in academic and non-academic activities by ICTE. We have also got honor to be only polytechnic to receive platinum category in AICTE CII survey 2016, 17 and 19. Moreover, we are proud to our students, their parents, industry persons and all other stakeholders to get prestigious accreditation by National Board of Accreditation for 4 branches: computer, chemical, information, mechanical engineering in 2020. All the branches receive excellent remark in external academic monitoring MSBT Mumbai. Here we have intake. I am go through course offered. So electrical engineering, it is established in 1983, having 120 intake and TFWS seats. So tuition fee reviewer scheme we are running. It is about 3 students can get benefit of it. So highly qualified, experienced and approved staff. So silent features of our institute on electrical department: advanced technical learning facilities and enhanced infrastructure, then track record of board results, then extracurricular activities we are running, rich library is there with international journals, then online campus, hostel is facilitated, canteen is there, medical and ambulance facility is given to students, then mentor system we are running, dedicated special training placement cell in campus, special training in mechatronics and atomization, strong collaboration with Register Alumni Association, support online teaching and learning resources through LMS platforms. We are running YouTube model, Moodle, NPTEL, Google Classroom, Zoom Cloud, Meet, webinar, etc. Wide exposure to social initiatives and awareness of programs. So blood donation camp, donation to orphans, then old age homes, computer literacy drives we are running. Now in corona situation, in pandemic, we are running online platform educational process. We are conducting lectures on Zoom as well as Google platform with different PPTs video we are sharing with the students. So there is no problem of any learning process in this situation also. Every student from classes with higher percentage and first rank will awarded with the hands of principal sir, HOD sir and the departmental staff. So these facilities are always for you. Scholarship is given to the all category students. So this is benefited by the government of Maharashtra as well as by the students of KK Polytechnic Nasik. So here contact details: KK Polytechnic, Hirabai Haridas Vidyanagari Amrutdham Panchavati, Nasik 422003, Maharashtra. Phone number 0253 251 7005, or you can contact with email principal-poly@kkwauk.edu.in. Website is given. Admission contact srshinde@kkwauk.edu.in. Then contact numbers for admission process: SB Jadhav 7350561717, BJ Gaikwad 9970851899, and GB Mughal 9689358059. So I always welcome you all. With the help of this information, you can always familiar with our electrical department, having beautiful and excellent informative labs, as well as staff with higher educational qualification and higher experience in industry also. So students get benefited, and we are running expert talk visits for the students also. We are running placement for students when they get qualified with higher percentage. So different opportunities for them. We are always in faith with you and serve for you. You always contact to me if you require any information. My number is 9890391538. Mr. Gore NS from Electrical Department. Thank you.